Hello, everyone. hello, hello, viewers. Welcome to Igbo Academy. Today, I want to talk about books for beginners. If you're a beginner or if you're not an Igbo person and you want to learn how to speak the Igbo language, there are some books that you need. In Igbo land, these books are like in Igbo lands, like in Ebonyi, Enugu, Abia, Imo. These books are used in the primary schools. And if you watch my videos, my beginners videos, most of the things in the beginner videos are things from these books. They are called Mbidi Igbo. That's Igbo for beginners. Mbidi Igbo. This is Mbidi Igbo for basic 1. This Mbidi Igbo basic mbido nke mbụ ndegharị ọhụrụ. This is Mbidi Igbo for basic 1. So if your child is up to 5 years and can read, you should start teaching them from this. In this book, the first place in the first chapter, you will see the Mobuna class, things that you can see in the house or in the classroom. You see the blackboard, the book, the ball, the bed. They all have their names. My children, like 2 of them, I've already started teaching them with this. So it's very easy. They're just pictures and things that you expect. The second chapter is Abu Makai Diocha. You can see a girl sweeping, a boy taking his bath, things like that. These are for beginners. This is for basic 1. If your child is up to 5-6 years and can read, this Mbidi Igbo 1. Then that's if it's in basic 1 or grade 1. Then the second one is Mbidi Igbo Maka basic nke abụọ. That's for basic 2. Once you're done with the basic 1, you can go over to the basic 2. Just teach them. These children, they learn fast. Anything you teach them, they do learn. So don't think that because they're not in the Igbo land, they're not in Igbo lands, they don't teach them Igbo in their schools, that they can't learn it. No, you can't teach them. You can take it home and teach them yourself. It's not very hard. You can play videos on my channel, the beginners level, and you can teach them with time, the songs and all that. With time, they will know how to speak the Igbo language. They will not be JJCs. Then you have another one, Mbidi Igbo Maka Basic Inkato. This one for the basic 3. You can teach them these two. There are many songs inside. There are passages. There are numbers. There are many things inside that the child is supposed to learn if the child is from 5 to 10 years. So I've been in Bayelsa for some years. So when I went to bookshops in Bayelsa, I couldn't find any Igbo textbook. So all these ones now, the ones I bought when I traveled home to Nsukka, I bought all these books at home, and I'm using them to teach on my channel too, the beginners level. Mbidi Igbo basic 4, then have basic 5. I collected this one for one of my younger brothers, the ones he used. So these are the books that you need as beginners. Once you master things in this book, once you teach them, your children, things in this book, there's no how they won't get interested. They won't get interested in learning the language. The books are interesting. There are many pictures. There are many things that will help them learn very well. So these are the books you use whenever you go back to Nigeria. Whenever you come to Nigeria, you go back to the east. Buy them. Mbidi Igbo Maka. That was the main book. But Mbidi Igbo, when I was small, I knew this one. So just buy them. Take them to your house. Create a time to call your children together and teach them all these things. When you start from 1 to 5, with time, they'll be very conversant with the things about the Igbo language. They'll know the names of things, know numbers, know how to introduce themselves, and so on. Thank you so much. This is my first like video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kemesia Kodivazia.